BeTheBroke.com. Just finished up Body Combat pre my final I'm gonna go run over and do a recovery. Subscribe. After that, I'm gonna go over Grant Cardone's Business Summit again from 2003. I'm working on a section where he talks about taking an idea and monetizing it. That's what I'm focusing on now. Subscribe. We got to bring in between $12,000 and $120,000 if I'm going to get to that $10 million, build that $10 million business. Subscribe. And let me remember, I was 135K in debt 2018. Now I'm down to 9,887. Just need that one $12,000 contract. That'll put us in the even. I'll put us debt free. But then we got to start conserving and preparing money. So subscribe. This goes to my contractors, homeowners. Make sure you guys are studying, investing in training, sales material. Then after that, let your employees use some of the material you've used. Subscribe. The reason I'm telling you that is you're gonna have to be, it's competitive out there. Looks like the job market's slowing down. Interest rates are gonna stay high. So that means if you're gonna get people to buy your products, homeowners, massage, you're gonna be able to deal with the think about it clothes, the big clothes. Say, okay, you got to hey, regardless, I want to get you got to be the one that says, I want to do your business. I want to do business with you. And they'll appreciate that. Tell them you don't want to give them any cheap things. I told you guys before, when you reduce your price, you just make problems for yourself. If you're going to reduce your price, make sure it's for something else, not the original product that you're using. Remember, I told you I sold sunglasses. Think you're giving a person a deal, they come back trying to exchange the fucking glasses I gave them a deal on, or if I gave them a watch, complain about that. Never, ever again will I reduce the price. Subscribe. Unless I have a very good reason, 90% of the time, keep your price.